Dance with the Sugar Plum Fairy, section 2. So when we were in section 1, or the intro, our right hand was in this position, if you recall. Third finger on the E. We've got white notes here, and then your 2 black notes. We're going to do the same thing up here. Same position. We're going to add a couple things to it, but this is how it's going to go. Top, middle, top, and then come down to finger 4, 2, 3, and then you're going to move the second finger off the D sharp to the D and play that 3 times. And then you're going to move your second finger to the C sharp and play it 3 times. And then play the thumb on C natural and play that 3 times. All right, so it's top, middle, top, 4th finger, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1,